Here's another evening meal for you. So I've got some sweet potato mash, some fried mushrooms and peppers, pulled beef's cheek, which is unbelievable if you've not tried it, and pretty cheap. And that's it today, and the fried egg. Important something to recognise here now, I don't actually have too much veg. Because I'm trying to consume a large amount of calories, I find personally for me and my digestion, if I have too much veg, it slows the digestion down. So because I'm consuming so much food altogether, it's just really hard for me to get enough energy in. And then when I'm slowing stuff down, consuming foods with little to no energy, I just find it hard to consume all the veg on top of all the calorie dense food. So for me, I've found with my digestion over the years, I've played with my diet loads, and I've just found I don't actually need too much veg, and when I do up my veg, it does actually just make me a bit constipated. Due to the amount of high intensity exercise I do find that the days that I don't exercise, I do tend to have a bit more veg because I tend to deal with it a little bit better.